Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have some stuff that I picked up at the 99-cent store when I went and did my walkthrough the other day. So shout out to you if you watched that video. Thank you. And when I was there, I did pick up some goodies, but I also stopped at the 99-cent store today and I picked up a few things that was not actually in the store when I went the other day. And the crazy thing is that day by day, even like with Dollar Tree or whatever, when you go back on a different day, there's always something else that they didn't put out. So they keep stuff in the back, and then on a daily basis they put stuff out. So some of this stuff wasn't even in the store when I did my walkthrough. So that is why we are here today. I want to show you some of the goodies that I picked up, as well as some of the new stuff that I just saw. So the first two items, which are not Christmas related, well, they can be because I plan on giving these as gifts. It is this box of makeup brushes by Kestrel, and I saw this brand in the 99-cent store a few weeks ago, but it was only one individual brush. So this time you get 5 brushes in here, and I think the set is really cute. It's brown with the gold and the black you know, tops. And then it also comes with this bag in here, like the carrying bag for the brushes. And it says, touch up and go with 5 specially selected makeup brushes from the Kestrel brush line. You get a powder brush, an angled blush brush, an all over eyeshadow brush, a concealer brush, and an angled eyeliner brush. And let's see, yeah, so I thought this was pretty cool. I plan on giving this to either like my niece, or it's okay if you cough, honey. Pooh Bear is sick, you guys. He has a cold. He's coming down with a cold. So he was just trying his hardest not to cough. It's okay if you cough. Get your Gatorade. So I hope you guys understand, you know, he's here. But what I was saying was I'll probably give this to one of my nieces, or my niece, for Christmas, or I don't know who's gonna get that, but somebody will get that. And then I also saw this one and I really like it, and it's a whole nother set, and look how big that is. I love this makeup bag, or it's actually like a brush, you know, holder, and it says save the drama for your lashes. That is so cute. Both of these were $5.99. I forgot to say that on the first one, but I really like these because they are purple. And what I really like about this, for somebody that is new to makeup or learning how to use brushes and stuff, I love when you find brushes that has the meaning, like what they're used for on each brush. So it says powder, angled blush, foundation, concealer, lash, angled eyeshadow, and it lists them all. So yeah, I picked this up. I thought this was cute, and this one is by London, Soho, New York. So it says it up here in the corner. So I thought this was pretty cool to find at the 99-cent store. Now moving on to the Christmas stuff, I could not pass up this sequin tree. This is so cute, and it's rose gold and has the little faux fur around each one. This tree reminds me of How the Grinch Stole Christmas. You know how the tree was kind of lopsided like, and it's just super cute. I love this. I love this tree. And it has a little star on the top. Now it was a $4.99 item, and that is what I'm getting, or I'm getting a lot of comments and complaints about. I mean, I can't do nothing about it. It's not my store. But I have said it in the past. I do wish that they would change the name of the store to like 99 cents and up or something like that, because back in the day it did used to seem like everything in there was 99 cents, but then now they started getting different items and everything, and now you literally have to check the prices to make sure that it's 99 cents. Otherwise you are paying a little bit more. But however, I will say that even for $5, this is a good find, because if you got this at like Michael's or somewhere else, you would pretty much be waiting for it to go on clearance for you to get it at the $5 price, because it would definitely be more than $5. So I had to get this. I thought it was super cute, but this was the only colors that I saw. I also got this glitter braided garland. I thought this was really pretty. It's braided like this. This is 2, it's not 1. So it's 2, and they were 99 cents, and it's like a foam kind of feel to it, and they're really big. So these would be really pretty to wrap around your stairs, going up the stairs or whatever, because it's braided. Or you can hang these on the ends of like a sliding door on the end, you know, on the ends on both sides or something like that. Unless you want to put it on your tree, it doesn't really matter. But it is silver and white, and it is really glittery, and I just thought these were cute. When I saw these, when I did my walkthrough, there was no way in the world I was leaving out of there without these. They are super cute, and they are $2 each, or $1.99. So I did pick up this pink one, and it's the Nutcracker. I just thought this was so cute. I was torn on if I wanted to get the blue one, or I think it was red. So I ended up with the pink one. Of course, I had to get the gold one. Oh my goodness. I had to get the gold. He's holding... Wait, no, they're all the same. No, the pink one and the gold one is holding a sword on their hip. And then this next one, the silver one, is banging. What is he doing, baby?
He's holding a drum.
He's holding a drum. So, and this one is like the iridescent, like pearl white color. So I just went with the light colors, the gold, the white, and the pink, instead of getting the darker like the red. But I don't know. I may grab the other two, the red one and the blue one, when I go back. I'm not too sure. But I definitely had to get those. Then I picked up this, the Countdown, which was $1.99 as well. And I just think it's cute. I just think it's cute to do the whole countdown, and I'll start that on December 1st. So yeah. And then another thing which is in front of me is the little canister that I saw. I thought this was adorable as well. I love that the top comes off like that, and you can store all kinds of stuff in here. You can give this, put chocolates or candies. You can store washi tape. It don't really matter what you put in here, but you can do that and give this as a gift. This is so cute, like the canister, and it was surprisingly only 99 cents. So I picked up this one. Then I got this deer, and it is a pink or rose gold type of a color. Really cute. Has the faux little neck scarf thingy with the bells on the front right here, and it's just super cute. And so I only picked up the one. They also had it in silver, but I don't know, I just went with the pink. And I'm not really a big fan of pink like that, but I don't know, my eyes just was drawn to this one and a few other pink things, so I grabbed it. I did pick up two of the cups, and these are the ones with the little llama or alpaca on the front that says fa la 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 la. And I just thought these were super cute, and they have the little tops like that. And these will be given away, so that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, I picked these up, and they are BPA free. And then I grabbed these two cups. They are super cute. You guys know I love cups. So, and when I find them and they're stackable, that makes them even more better. So it's the most wonderful time of the year is this top one, and then this one is a cup of cheer. I started to get two of those, but then I didn't. And like I said, they are stackable, so they look like that. Sorry, I was trying to get closer, but the autofocus is acting up today. But yeah, they're just your regular basic cups that are stackable, and they were 99 cents. Look at this cute little dish that I picked up for my daughter. It's a little polar bear, and he has glitter all over him, and he has the little Christmas lights hanging over him like he got wrapped up in the lights. And it's just a cute little trinket dish, which was cute. And the only thing was, I picked this up and I purchased it, and I swear I did not check to see how much it was. I'm thinking this was 99 cents. When I just looked at it right now, it was $1.99. I probably would have left this one. I mean, I know it's just $1, but to me, yeah, I would have left this one. It's super cute, but not for $1.99. We are moving into some of the ornaments that I picked up. Here's the first one. This one says, "Baby, it's cold outside." I thought it was super nice. It looks like it's a piece of wood, like a faux wood or whatever, and then it has the little berries and the tree on top or whatever. And so I only picked up one of those. I started to pick up two. I think there was another one, I forgot what it said, but I only got the one. Then I just could not pass these up. These were the cute little snowman heads that has their little beanies on, and it just reminds me of Pooh Bear when he has on his little beanie. So I had to get them, and they got the little carrot noses and everything, and filled with the snow. So these were 99 cents as well, so I picked up just these two colors. These have to be my favorite ornaments. When I seen these when I did my walkthrough, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have those. I should have picked up more, but I didn't. So I ended up with the blue and the green color, like mermaid kind of color to me. Then I love the iridescent like white ones, and then I picked up the pink ones as well. These are so cute, oh my goodness. And they are sequins, and yeah, so I got these. I ended up with this ice cream cone. These are all ornaments. This one is the ice cream cone. I know there's another one in here, I just can't, it's probably still down in the bag. So I got that. I'm trying to hold them. I ended up with this little fella right here. Super cute. Some of these you've seen in my walkthrough video. Then I got this one, the little llama. You guys comment down below, would you call that a llama or an alpaca? Because to me they look the same. So I keep catching myself saying the little llama or the alpaca. I don't want to keep saying both. Tell me what you guys think. Then I got this one for this owl right here, because I know my son is going to like that. One of my older sons loves owls. Then I picked up the cute little pink dancing ballerina pig with her little fluffy skirt and her headpiece. And then I also picked up this ornament, which was a fluffy ice cream cone, and it has a little thing on the top, but it's supposed to be an ice cream cone. I ended up getting two of the shaker ones. I fell in love with these as well. Between the sequins and these right here, I love these, so I picked up two of these. Here is a purple peacock because she is so pretty. If you are in San Diego and you visited San Diego and you go to the San Diego Zoo, there's this big peacock that walks around the zoo, and she's just so free and elegant, and I just love that big old peacock. So when I picked this one up, I was thinking about the peacock at our local zoo. So, and it's purple, so that made it even better. So I picked up one of these. And then I picked up the 3 stars that I saw. I only saw these colors, which was like the purple, the reddish pink kind of color, and the turquoise. And I think these are beautiful. These would be really cute if I was to do a beach theme. Oh, I got hair on my eye. If I was to do a beach theme wreath or something like that, these would be so cute on there. But I'm not gonna do that. But I picked up these 3. And the last 3 ornaments was the other ice cream cone, which has the pink bottom. And then I picked up these 2 as well. And they're just little Christmas trees with the balls on them. I just thought those were really nice. I grabbed these LED light up earrings, and they're just shaped like Christmas lights. And I picked up the red. They had green, but I just wanted the red. I also picked up these 2 trees, and surprisingly they were both 99¢, even though one is bigger than the other. This one is just white with the little silver balls all over it, and then this one is gold, and it looks like it has like white tips, so it's supposed to look like it has snow. And they both have like wood bottoms, so I just picked up these 2. I also stumbled across these gingerbread bath bombs, and no reason, just picked them up because they said gingerbread, and I think they'll probably smell. You can kind of smell them through the bag, and they smell really good from what I can smell, so I can't wait to open these and give them a try. And I had to have this headpiece, this headband. I really like it. I love the antlers. I love that it comes with the 3 bows across it, plus the ears. Like, it got a lot going on right here. It got ears, bows, antlers, and then it has a nose that has a little strap for you to put on your nose. I don't think I'm gonna wear the nose, but I really like the headpiece, and it has the little bells on it, so I had to pick that up. And the last 2 things that I grabbed, one was this beanie. I love hats. You guys know once it starts to cool down, you'll see me in beanies and hats. I love beanies, especially in the winter. Unfortunately, my only complaint is San Diego or California does not get cold, so it's like literally I can bust out my beanies and wear them for maybe 2 weeks in December. And I'm waiting patiently because I have a bunch of Christmas beanies. I have beanies, and I can't wait to be able to wear them. It's just too hot out here. So I did pick up this one. It's white. I love the little pom-pom on the top, and I just think it is super cute and it's soft. And then the last thing I picked up was this sweater for my dog. And it says Heartbreaker. And I just think it's super cute. And it just has the little, you know, for you to put it on them. So, yeah. And that was it for my 99-cent store haul. You guys kept asking me, did I pick up anything? Did I pick up anything? I picked up some stuff. And then I went back and I picked up some more stuff. So that is it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link my video of when I went to the store and did my walkthrough in case you missed it. Make sure you go watch that because it's a lot of stuff. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and share my video with your friends and family. I'd appreciate it. And I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.